Okay, let's learn how to make a fist. So let's just take our right hand, stick it out, and we're gonna slowly, softly bend the first knuckle, second, all the way down. The thumb is gonna go on the inside. So it closes and wraps, okay? Closes and wraps. Now you don't wanna squeeze it too tight. You want a little bit so you can blow air through it. If it is too tight, you're more than likely gonna break it if you hit something hard. Something that gives a little bit won't snap as easy, so don't overflex that fist. Let's do that a couple more times. Bend, roll it, place thumb. Let's go forward with it. Bend, roll, and place thumb. Okay? Bend, roll, and place thumb. Good. So if I'm here, and the thumb comes over. Let's do the other hand. Bend, roll it down, place hand over, do not overflex. One more time. Up front, we're gonna bend, and we'll keep rolling, turn in, thumb comes around up front. Yes, we want to make sure you understand every aspect of Wing Chun, even how to close the fist. Good going. See you soon.